Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today I have something special for the parents. By Satguru said, once you have a child, it's a 20-year project that we are taken. That is if they do well, or else it's going to be a lifetime project. So, what we must understand is, it's not the volume of time you spend with them. If you spend too much time, they will feel sick on you. But it is quality of time you spend with them, even if it is 5 minutes in a day. Basically, it's a way you relate to them. Being a mother, if you say I'm raising my child the best way, understand that you can raise only cattle. Human beings cannot be raised. If you raise a human being, he will be just like a cattle. He or she will be just like a folk. Dear viewers, what you need to do is you shouldn't raise but need to cultivate and watch what the end product you are getting or what is going to blossom by the way we cultivate him or her. Understand racing means you have already set your mind what they need to become. You don't have the right to fix that. It's up to them what they want to become. If you do it, take my word, the sky is the limit for them and they will excel in what they are good at. Ultimately, our aim should be to mold a kid who is living for a betterment of society and the world that we live. Hope you all like today's content. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your plate. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Bye bye.